Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove second-row seats in a Kia Sedona. Before you begin, it is crucial to prepare your vehicle and gather the right tools. First, make sure your Sedona is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off for safety. Next, you will want to have a socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver handy. Finally, clear any personal items or debris from around and under the seats you plan to remove. This preparation makes the process much smoother. Now that you are prepared, let's locate the seat mounting bolts. Begin by sliding the second-row seats all the way forward. This provides much better access to the rear bolts. You will find 4 mounting bolts securing each seat to the vehicle's floor. Using your socket wrench, carefully begin to loosen all 4 of these bolts. Take your time to ensure a good grip and prevent stripping the bolt heads during this step. With the bolts loosened, it is time to fully detach the seats. Completely remove all 4 mounting bolts from each seat and set them aside in a safe place. Next, carefully check for and disconnect any electrical connectors or seatbelt anchors that might be attached to the seat base. With the help of another person, gently lift each seat straight up and out of the vehicle. These seats can be quite heavy, so proper lifting technique is important. After successfully removing the seats, consider these important safety and storage tips. Store the removed seats in a dry, safe location, perhaps covered, to prevent any damage or wear. It is also a good idea to cover any exposed floor mounting points in your Sedona to prevent dirt or debris from accumulating. When you are ready to reinstall the seats, ensure all 4 bolts are securely tightened to the manufacturer's specifications for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.